Here's a tool that's not so commonly used for body work, but it's a reciprocating saw, and you can cut metal with it, so you might find yourself using it. The trigger here operates this. By the way, never connect anything to any tool while it's connected to AC power. It'd be some easy to be changing something and accidentally hit this and maybe cut off a finger. To release the blade on one of these, they're pretty generic. On this one, you pull it forward, blade releases. To install the blade, I should angle this. Oh, I think we can get it. See if I can do this without knocking the tripod over. But again, we pull that yellow button off to the right. We take the blade, sharp end pointing towards the bottom of the camera, put it in there. Hopefully you can see what's going in there. Release the yellow button, try to pull the blade out. It is connected there, and now we will quickly cut a piece of metal. I was going to cut rocker panels, but I realized the blades I have are too long to illustrate it that way, so I'm just going to cut a piece of metal to quickly show you how the tool works. Basically what we're going to do is you lay this piece flat against whatever it is you're going to cut and pull the trigger, which will activate the blade. I have this piece of sheet metal clamped down. We're going to cut it with our reciprocating saw as we discussed. I'm going to insert the blade, the metal cutting blade. Again, as we discussed, put it in here. And the tool, we never connect a blade to a tool while the tool is plugged in. So now I'm going to plug this in. Oops, sorry about the delay. Problem getting to my AC outlet there. Have our safety glasses. Good set of gloves. And I'm hoping this is going to come out in the camera. I'm going to place this portion here against the piece we're working against, and then the trigger. So here, and let's see, I'm going to get a good grip on it. Might be a little more difficult because I actually already started to cut it. Cheat a little bit here. When the workpiece starts hopping around like that, you don't want to keep going. There we go.